Sokehs right here. Met na. Self-uncovered ta. Surrender? You wanna give up?
Street zone. This is my street zone.
Oh, man. Wave mo kamot day. Duha. Wow. Mga masters bay. Expert mga expert climbers. Wow. Oh, man. So they have also bamboo here. Snake plants right here. It's wild. Wild snake plants. And different kinds of plants right here. Nay kanding-kanding diri oh. Woo, we call that in Philippines kanding-kanding. That one. That's kanding-kanding. So what's that? Oh man. Let's check it. Oy! Paingon man is kuan, lilingayon. So this spot here is, they said it's Japanese camp. Yeah, that's a little bit far. So Japanese bunker. That means 1942. Oh, that's tower, man. Over there. And wow. Yeah, so there's one. What's that? Sniper bunker. Let's check. Let's go. Yup. Oh, so this is bunker. Woo! Oh man. Wow. This is what you can see inside. So, oh, the big, what's it? The canyon. Canyon mga guys, oh. Grabe guys. Laki ng canyon na yan. At ito yung, tower. So, we're checking this side. Kung may mga ano ba, kalaban. No? Ayan, tingnan kung may kalaban. Tsaka puntahan. Woo! Check here. Oh, monitor. Ayan. Oh, may kalaban. Anhin naman noon. Rak-rakan tamo niya. Tag. So this one is another bunker right here. Huh? Woo! Wow. Wet inside.
It's only up to here, yeah.
Hmm?
It's only like this.
Wow. Grabe to. So 1942. Machine. What's this? Canyon by? Woo! 1942. Very long. 24. 24 feet, I think. Oh man. Grabe oh.
Documentary.
Woo! You have to go down there. Then,
Go up here. I cannot climb.
wow. Now operate the canyon. Play na na.
Sige na. Oh, wag hinay-hinay. Caught on camera. See. He's about to start the World War 10. Oh, sige.
Okay, 3 degrees, 100 degrees Celsius. Ay, what is it? Fire! Boom! Wow! It's really big, man. Woo! 19.
O saan pag-zoom niya?
Ha? Gilang. Hindi ko rin. Wow, this is really. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, man. Grabe ka na ko, bay. Mo, ni? Woo! Grabe yun. Ibala ko sa kanyan, bay. Ala, dako agi day. Ano yung daw day?
O saan mo na pag anak ko niya?
Ang ihang grade, oh. Oh, grabe, oh. Ay, dako kayo, bay.
Yan, baro na kag-unggoy din.
Mata di.
Ate, dako yan.
I got it. I defeated Japanese SWAT. Sorry, day. Akong camera woman. Let's go. All right, so that's the just shirt. I think imagination. Oh man. Whew. Okay, let's go. So that's the Japanese canyon. Japanese canyon na bay, mga higala. And dili pod maulahi ang unsa man ni baho man ni. So this one here. I don't know. I forgot the name. I will search later. The bombing of Pohnpei. Okay, just read, guys. See, 1945 die. 250 airstrikes. Wow. See? Okay. From that, another. Wow. So my team right here, Selfa, Carberta, Jubit, fine.
Nalagi ba mula sa...
Ara sila oh. Ara sila guys oh.
Hi, hello.
Going tower is also, at least you have hint. But this is the road here. Mura magpangi bay? Ha? Pangi yun no? Naagid sila pangi diri bay? Huh?
Pohnpei Ridge Story.
Oh man. can see overlooking right here. Oh man, the airport right there. Yeah, I will show you. Next spot, I will go there. Okay. Only here. You can see that one here. Wow. Down yung light ha. Sige, pag down yung light mo. Wow. So,
Grabe yung ito ba?
so that's the rock you can see. Right side when you land. Pohnpei. That's the landing area. That's the airport. Woo. And we're here right now. This is the tower here. Oh man. And then my team right here. Carberta, Atienyin, Dajubet, and Inday Fine right here. I think she's not fine now. Day, that side is Kitsi, right? Kitsi. So that side, Kitsi. And this side, like Colonia? Colonia, Palikir, right? That side. Palikir. Alright, so this side, this is the tower here in Pohnpei.
The lights
Woo!
up.
Oh,
Lights
against the light. Alright.
Tingin ko sa tower. Baba para ba tate?
Okay, let's go.
Sa baba eh. Another.
That's the best spot. Alright, we're going back. Going back to our apartment.
Also brought the ano here, the auditors.
Woohoo!
We brought the auditors here. Auditors?
Bye bye, Ate Yen, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Tsaka yung ngalan ni Dajubit sa iyang kwan.
Jubet.
Dili oy, nana siya ngalan. Wow. So 6 I think now. Wow. We're going somewhere. Huh? Yeah, we're going back now. Going back to our apartment. And Fine and Dajubit are going back also to Chuk is the school. Ya, Kak. Naidakong bato. No. Cliff do.
Grabe ka dako nga bato. Hala. Ah, may bato ya.
Aro, dako kay bay.
Daw ko na siya diha oh.
Wa man sweet man dayo. Tuarang airport to. Pohnpei. Try. Ay binaslanay ni. Vlogger na tatana ni ba? Hunong nga sa na imo ha. Grabe po doy. Oh, they have also here in Pohnpei.
Buyo man niya kana anaon.
Wow. Woo. Nagbaklay mo day?
Wala yan nagdagan.
Ay wala day. Grabe oh. Wow.